Hey traders, Jamie Setley here, December 17th with your Daily FX Technical Focus. We're all aware that FOMC is tomorrow. Let's take a look at some charts ahead of the big day. All right, so Euro-Yen. Let's take a look at Euro-Yen. We looked at Dollar-Yen yesterday. Yen cross is traded a bit heavy today. I actually went long the one with the least amount of fleas, that being Euro-Yen. Look, it's pretty simple stuff as far as how I trade. The trend for the last several days has been identified as sideways. All right, so I'm looking to buy into support and sell into resistance. Well, the support level is identified at 141.33. Stop below 140.90 was triggered, almost taken out, but the market has turned around. I may very well be taken out overnight. But I'm looking for a range here, as long as the range holds. Below 140.90, I want no part of this because the risk then is that this thing heads all the way down towards 140, test a form of resistance, which may then be support. But in the meantime, I'm going to hold this range. Would expect some resistance between 141.80 and 142.10, just simple congestion. If there is a big positive reaction on FOMC, then it could propel the next leg up. It's a big if. I'm not here to predict the news. I'm just trading what I see on the charts. Moving on to the dollar Mexican peso. This one actually, interestingly, the peso held, or the dollar peso held strong today. It's a daily chart. Not big change on the day, but we did hold yesterday's gains, which is interesting because yields were actually down here in the U.S., and this is actually the highest correlated dollar pair with yields, not the dollar yen, surprisingly, throughout the entire year. So perhaps the market is telling us the dollar mex is about to explode to the upside. I don't know. We are long. We went long right before Friday's close down here. Going to hold this. We have a bullish five-wave pattern from the lows last week, a three-wave drop from the high, and are holding now, possibly in a third wave. I'm not going to want to tighten the stop here until the market can, trade above this trend line, which will probably be about 13 to 1302. At that point, we'll look to tighten risk, but for now, it's got to stay 1280. Okay. So thank you, folks, for joining me here for Daily FX Technical Focus. Get a good night's rest. Tomorrow will be a big day. Take care.